Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your cash flow with Chime, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your cash flow with Chime, begin by downloading the Chime app from the App Store or Google Play. Once the app is installed, open it and select Get Started to create your account. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and set a secure password. You will then be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name, date of birth, and social security number. After entering this information, review the terms and conditions, then select Agree to proceed. Next, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation message from Chime. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once confirmed, return to the Chime app and log in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Settings tab in the app's main menu. In the Settings, select Link External Account to connect your bank. You will need to provide your external bank's routing number and account number. Enter the requested information carefully to ensure it is accurate. Chime may also offer an option to log into your external account directly for quicker access. Follow the prompts to complete this process if you choose the login option. After successfully linking your external account, you can set up automatic transfers to or from your Chime account. Determine the amount and frequency of these transfers based on your cash flow needs. Review and confirm the transfer details to finalize the setup. Monitor your account regularly to track your cash flow and ensure everything is functioning smoothly. If you encounter any issues, visit the Chime Help Center for assistance. You are now ready to manage and connect your cash flow effectively using Chime. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.